This dance is called Calum's Rise. 32 count, 4 walls. There's no tag, no restart. Let me show you section 1. Section 1 starts with your right foot. Walk forward. Left foot forward. Forward shuffle. Rock, recover, back shuffle. Section 1 starts with the right foot again. Walk forward, forward shuffle, rock, recover, back shuffle. Section 1 with a count. 1, 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. Section 2. Walk back, right, walk back left, do a back coaster, back together, forward, straight left, right, left, right. Section 2, again, walk right back, walk left back, back coaster, back together, forward, straight left, right, left, right. Section 2 with a count. 1, 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Section 3, cross, recover, side shuffle, cross, recover, side together, quarter. Section 3, again, cross, recover, side shuffle, cross, recover, side together, quarter. Section 3 with a count. 1, 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. Section 4. Step, pivot, half turn to the right. Walk 2 step. Walk, and do a coaster step. Rock, recover, back together, forward. So section 4 again. Step, pivot, half turn to the right. Walk 2 step. Rock, recover, back together, forward. Section 4 again. Step, half turn, walk, rock, recover, back together, forward. Section 4 with a count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. There is an option for section 4. You can do a full turn instead of walk. Let me show you the last section again with a full turn. Step, half turn, pivot half turn, do a full turn to your right. Half turn, rock, recover, back together, forward. Let me show you again. Pivot half turn, full turn, rock, recover, coaster step. And you start the dance at wall 2. Let me show you the whole dance. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. 1, 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. 1, 2, 3, 4,